In this video I'm going to show you how to find Instagram password and username. So if you don't know your Instagram username, what you need to do is you need to open up your WhatsApp. Then click on the bottom right to open up your profile. And as you can see on the top left where it says 36123, that is basically your username. You can potentially click on edit profile, and on the edit profile you can also see your username, and with your username others can add you on Instagram. And to see your password, click on the top right on the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy. In the search type in saved, click on saved login, and here if this is turned on, Instagram will remember your login and you don't need to enter your password every time for this account. Now to actually see the password you unfortunately can't do it, but if you want you can always reset your password that way. But this is the way, so you don't even have to know your password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.